Hi, this is Kyle, and today I'd like to share how AI workflow orchestration can help automate the process for adjusting credit limits. One of our customers came to us with this issue where customers would place orders and that order would get blocked because the customer's credit limit was too low. And the process for reviewing that was super manual. People would go to that customer's spend profile, research them externally, have to go through a series of approvals, and we built a workflow that will automate that whole process using deterministic rules and AI agents to keep a human in the loop, but automate the process. In this case, I might be the account manager for one of our big business accounts, and they may have had an order blocked. We could also listen for that order blocked signal from the data. But in this case, I can initiate workflows directly from Slack. I don't have to log into a SaaS to have that request initialized. Here, now that request has come through. And what will happen is the workflow will begin to execute. And that's going to first pull in that company's data. For example, what is their spend profile? Do they pay us on time? What's their credit score? Right? All of this can be factored in. Additionally, we can research externally, send an agent to the web to research and find out about this company and what people are saying about them in the market. All of this data feeds a credit limit analyst who will then use its instructions with that data to populate a credit criteria scorecard. And then the workflow can summarize that decision for the committee who may still need to be in the loop. So those humans in the loop can receive those approvals, and that process can then execute downstream to update the ERP system. Now those humans in the loop can receive those requests, approve them, and that audit log can be traced and tracked so you can see who did what when. However, we can also call our agent and initialize our requests via voice. Hey there, this is Kyle from Adobe, and I was just calling to ask if we could get our credit limit adjusted. We placed a large order for $3 million, and it got blocked.
Thank you, Kyle. Just to confirm, you're requesting a credit limit adjustment of $2 million due to a large order, correct?
No, it was $3 million.
Got it. So you're requesting a credit limit adjustment to $3 million. Is that correct?
Yep.
Okay, I'll create the credit limit request for Adobe at $3 million. One moment, please. Please hold on while I take care of that. All set. The credit limit request for Adobe at $3 million has been created.
Okay, thanks. So that intake can also initialize the workflow, streamlining this process and making it even more efficient.